Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with hair just below the shoulders. The stylist cuts the hair right off. And bam! Chic, cute, pixie style. Very nice. I love the fullness within this cut too. So cute. So here we have someone with hair just above the shoulders or around the shoulders. It's got this gorgeous salt and pepper hair. And we have a stunning bob makeover. So pretty. Feathered bangs going there in the front. Phenomenal. So next up we have a pixie hair transformation. We just saw the inspiration and there is the final result of this pixie. Ooh, wow, I did not expect for her to go so short. Wow, she got a buzz cut with this makeover. So here we have someone with mid back length hair. The hair is placed in several ponytails. The stylist chops off all of that hair, so she is definitely going super short with this makeover. Oh, very cute boy cut pixie style. And this frames her face wonderfully. So here we have someone with a bob. And bam! She gets the hair cut into a head turning pixie. So here we have a styling video. So this is actually one of my favorite short hair influencers to follow. I've been following her for so long. She has the most gorgeous short hair inspiration all over her feed. It looks like she's doing a messy, chic, short style here. so cute. I just love her short hair. Such an inspiration. So here we have another haircut transformation. She ends up getting this gorgeous pixie. Look at the volume. Whoa, okay, so we have someone here with very long wavy hair. Very thick hair too. That is a lot of hair. And then we have another curly haircut transformation. Looks like she's doing more of like a tapered curly cut style. And then going in and defining the curls. And there is the final results. Very cute. So here we have another curly haircut idea. Lots of curly styles in today's video, which is perfect because summer is right around the corner, and that is definitely a go-to curly style ideas, cutting your hair during the summertime, trying out a new haircut. It's just a great way to kind of shake things up. So the hair is placed in ponytails and then cut right off. And she gets a very cute curly pixie. Oh, I love this. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.